guys! So, it's November 11. Andito ako sa isang classroom na walang class, kaya I'm all alone. It's Friday, that's why I only have online classes. But since my ate is here, I decided to join. I said na I'll stay na lang sa mga empty classrooms.
I said seaweed instead of seaweed.
Hello! Hello po! Hi, hello! Nice to meet you! Pero alam mo, gusto ko din.
Normal lang pala yung sugar eh.
Nag-order lang ako ng favorite kong coco, which is the matcha slush cream. I highly recommend na magpa-add kayo ng white pearl or kahit normal pearl. Pero white pearl yung pina-add ko. Super, super sarap. So, it is November 14 and I'm going to try to secure a ticket for Itzy's concert. Actually, day 2 na to kasi nung day 1, wala nang VIP soundcheck. Kaming dalawa ni Sid, yung friend ko from FEU, like, nakailang balik kami, nakailang refresh kami, wala kami nakuwang VIP. Buti na lang, nag-announce sila na magkakaroon sila ng day 2. Like, it's a sign na mag-try ulit ako. So, mag-try ako makasecure ngayon ng VIP soundcheck ulit. Sana makakuha. And if ever man makakuha ko, it's going to be my first time attending a concert na ako lang mag-isa, which is like a challenge for me kasi hindi ko kung makakapag-enjoy ba ako or feeling ko mag-enjoy naman ako kahit mag-isa ako, but feeling ko may hiya lang akong sumigaw-sigaw kapag nandun na kasi wala akong kakilala. But tsaka ako na siya problemahin kapag may ticket na ako. So, ayun, itatry ko muna makapag-secure. First drink. This is for matcha slush. Matcha din. Matcha latte. PAC. Ako chocolate ko guys. Ang cute no? Christmas themed na siya. Ito yung sa'yo. Congratulations.
It's passion fruit stuff.
Congratulations. Congrats. Parang tatasig ko kay ate. Ako nag-request.
best. Okay.
The strengths of the brand include a wide range of products, a strong identity, technological aspects. This includes ways of distributing goods. Examine the environmental aspects or the factors that are mainly concerned. For instance, last August 2021, TikTok Shop became a new shopping. Okay, so I'm done recording. Ngayon, i-edit ko na siya. Isasama ko na siya dun sa mga clips ng mga ka-vlog ko. Para sa mismong presentation, ipi-play na lang. I'm eating my favorite biscuit. I think this is my guilty pleasure now. Happy December, everyone! Oh my God. Yeah, birthday ko po, December 1. So, 19 na ako. Oh my God. So, today, ang agenda, mag-shoot ako for my birthday and then I'll visit the campus mga 6 p.m. So, by the way, before ako umalis, I think this is like the best gift na natanggap ko. It's here! Can you guys guess kung ano to? Tan, 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 tan. Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy. Oh my God! Excited na ako, super. Parang ngayon pa lang, inisip ko na kung ano yung mga outfit ko. So happy! For sure, iba-vlog ko yun. So, by the way, itong jewelry organizer ko, it's from Shopee. And, yeah, lilink ko na lang siya sa description box. So,
One bag na lang po?
790.